So in this video we are gonna actually delete a blog post, and we're gonna fix a minor issue with the last episode that I didn't catch up with. So first of all, let's start out by making this to a post, and then we just need to copy and paste inside here. So basically what we want to do is we want to go in and say, if you want to see the edit page, you need to be an admin. Otherwise we want to say return redirect home or back. We can just do that. And then what we can actually do now is we can first of all go up and say ID here. Then we can go in and say if the same again actually. Then we can say else turn redirect home. So basically what we need to do now is we need to create this variable that will find blog post, find, and then we need to say ID, and then we need to say blog, the need, and then we need to say return redirect home. And actually we want to put this inside a conditional statement in case some reason there should be an error. It's always nice to actually see that when we try to see if it works. So what we need to do here is we need to say return redirect back in this case, because if there's an error and it's not deleted, we can just go back to where it was before. And in both cases we are gonna say session, and we want to flash a message inside status. We want to say the post dot blog title is deleted. Okay. In the case that it couldn't be deleted, we will actually go in and say could not be deleted. Okay, so hopefully you will never end there. In the case you won't end there, most likely it would be because that there would be some error with connecting to the database, stuff like that. Even there it would probably say something like cannot get data, so this shouldn't really be a scenario. Anyways, so now we actually have set this up now. So now we have a perfectly fine working delete function, but we have no way to test it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually copy and paste this code, because we're gonna use Bootstrap model here. And then we are actually gonna first of all remove this here. And then we are gonna go in here and say form method post action. The reason why we want to do this is so we could use AX, but we would redirect the user anyways away from the blog post to tell it's deleted, so there's no reason to use it in this scenario. So what we would do here is I would actually go and make this to a link, then say href, because the only thing it does here is just close the model. And in this scenario, I would make this to a danger. Delete post. Then I'll make a paragraph in here, say, are you sure you want to delete title? Forever. And what we need to do now is we need to say delete post up here. Change this to delete. We need to change this to delete as well, and most importantly, change this one to delete, otherwise it won't work. Make this to a danger, and let's test it. So first of all, we need to be logged in as an admin user. And then let's go into something like post 32. And you can see we already have an error. So the error here is we have big B, it should be a small one. So now down here, you will have a modal. Then we can say delete post. And we need to, first of all, say input instead. Value delete post. And then if we go in now and do it, it will give an error. And this is actually completely reasonable, and the reason why is we don't have this one in, so it will actually be sure that this is the form, this is extra security from Laravel. So now we need to just double check here is on post, and it's the delete function, which should call this one, use an ID. So if we now go in here, and this worked perfectly fine. It only works if you're an admin, you're only allowed to see the button if you're an admin, and of course we need to fix this small thing in here. So if we go into home here and remove this one, and then we go into app.blade.php, because I don't think we have done this. I don't think we have put an role inside here. This will just help the user know that this is an alert if you're using some sort of accessibility software. And that's all for this video. So just a small announcement now, because I'm almost done with the most basic and the most important functional part of a blog. And what I'm gonna do now is, in the next video, we're gonna focus on infinitive scroll with Vue.js, and then we are gonna implement that function. And then after that, I'm actually gonna upload this website so you can see it from there. It's not gonna be done. You're not gonna be able to comment or comment, and the about and contact page won't be there yet, but it will actually be an almost completely done blog. We just need to do the comment, infinitive scroll, about, and contact page. And when that's all done, the series is done. So thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate the patience. Please click the subscribe button and hit the like button if you like this video. See you in the next one.